NASA's Space Shuttle program was a manned launch vehicle program approved by President Richard Nixon in 1972. It was officially referred to as the Space Transportation System, or STS. 6 space shuttles were built within the program. The first was Enterprise in 1976, which was not capable of spaceflight. The youngest member of the fleet is Endeavour, first launched in 1992. Since the first launch of Columbia in 1981, a total of 135 launches were carried out within the program, which ended with the final landing of Atlantis in 2011. Each launch was carried out at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The Space Shuttle consisted of 4 main components: a spaceplane, a large external fuel tank, and 2 reusable booster rockets. The reusable solid rocket boosters carried 500 tons of solid fuel each and provided the liftoff thrust during the first 2 minutes of powered flight that the 3 engines of the spaceplane could not produce. Shortly after leaving the launch pad, the shuttle started a roll, pitch, and yaw maneuver. The orbiter flew upside down under the fuel tank during the ascent phase. This allowed uninterrupted radio contact with mission control. The vehicle climbed in a progressively flattening arc, accelerating as the weight of the fuel tank decreased. At a height of 45 kilometers, the booster rockets automatically separated from the fuel tank and parachuted back into the Atlantic Ocean. The liquid oxygen and hydrogen content of the external fuel tank was used by the main engines of the shuttle during takeoff. Another important function of the tank was to provide structural stability for the vehicle, as the spaceplane and the 2 booster rockets were attached to it. At a height of 130 kilometers, about 8.5 minutes after the launch, the main engines were shut down. The fuel tank was released from the vehicle, and it fell back to the atmosphere where it burned. The more than 37-meter-long orbiter vehicle had a wingspan of nearly 24 meters. Its fuselage consisted of 3 sections. The forward fuselage housed the cockpit and the crew cabin, which consisted of 3 decks. The mid-fuselage contained the delta wings, the payload bay, and the related equipment. The 15-meter-long multifunctional robot arm was carried in the payload bay. The aft fuselage consisted of the orbital maneuvering systems, the 3 main engines, and the body flap. The orbital height of Endeavour varied between 185 and 643 kilometers. Its orbital speed was over 27,000 kilometers per hour. It spent more than 296 days on 25 missions with a maximum crew of 10, covered nearly 200 million kilometers, and completed 4,671 orbits around the Earth.